Hi, my name is Prof Holy Rock, and today we want to look into this again. Look, you can see what these ladies, these girls are wearing. Guys, how do you feel? These are not decent clothes. Let us see what the Bible says. The Holy Book, the Quran, is the same thing. It says, this is Exodus 28:2. It says, and thou shalt make holy garments for Aaron thy brother, for glory and for beauty. What this means is, when a man sees a woman, the first thing that should come to his mind is not sex. You can pause the video and read that verse again. See this woman that is standing here. You can see the traces of her laps. This is what, once a man sees this shape, these lines, you can see from her nail, even when she's wearing clothes, you can see her nakedness. It makes a man to want to masturbate, to want to sleep with a prostitute, to want to commit bestiality, to sleep with an animal, or to toast her and sleep and have sex with her. Okay? So, there's a saying that action speaks louder than words. What we wear speaks louder than what we are saying. A man that sees these girls, you see this girl, her skirt is torn. Let me show you now. Look at this. These are teachers. You see this one at this end, at my right hand side, that is thick or fat, anyhow you want to use it. Is she decent? No. The only person that seems to be decent here is this other girl at my left hand side. But I don't know how her backside will be. If she has a big bum, then the backside will be. But from the front, you cannot see any trace of her lap. Okay, so till I come away again, I am Professor